Welcome to HYCM Insight with myself, Charles Cochran, the Chief Currency Analyst here at HYCM. The market mood I'm expecting for the coming session is as follows. The pound should remain strong as a surprise resignation by UK Finance Minister Sajid Javid has meant that all eyes are on his replacement, Rishi Sunak. Sunak is expected to increase fiscal spending, that's government spending, and therefore relieve the Bank of England from needing to cut interest rates. That's why we've seen the strong pound buying yesterday. The euro, on the other hand, remains weak due to a continued slowdown in eurozone growth and expectations of further ECB easing. Today's German GDP data showed that the EU's biggest contributor only narrowly missed contraction by printing a Q4 GDP number of 0.0%. Therefore, expect euro-pound sellers at pullbacks. Risks to this outlook. Any very positive eurozone news from the EU GDP data out at 10 o'clock GMT this morning, or negative news about fiscal spending from Rishi Sunak.